Hello, in previous video, I show how to create the event bridge, and the event bridge will monitor to see when my EC2 turn on. It will trigger our SNS and send email to myself. So in previous one we using the AWS console, and today I want to using the Terraform to create the sensing. Yes, so it will. So first, because the main point is not the EC2 instance, so I will come here to create whatever EC2 instance. So I will call it EC2 stopping notice. Yeah, and just launch. And we don't need. Okay. Process we don't need it, and launch the EC2 instance because we don't need to access. I just need to stop it, and during the same time we can come here to review it. So first I will go to the SNS to create the topic, and under the topic I will create the subscription, and the subscription will using the email, and the endpoint will be my email address. And after I set up the SNS, I will go to the EventBridge to create a rule, and the rule can detect it when the status change of my EC2 instance. And also I will edit the input template just like the previous video. And let's go to our Visual Studio. So yes, first we need to told AWS we're gonna deploy it under the Virginia US East 1, and then we can start to write our documentation. We can start to write our SNS. So we copy this one and pass to here, and we can change the name to the EC2 stop notice. So I will call create SNS topic, and put the reference in here. So we only need to put the name. So I will call this one is our resource function name, and this one is the name we put on the AWS. So after we create the topic, we need to create a subscription. So let me review the documentation again. Subscription. So the subscription need to the topic ARN and the protocol. In here, the protocol I will use in my email, and the endpoint is my email address. So let me load. Okay. Copy for my drift. So here is this one is the topic of my, like we create the first step, and the protocol is email. And we'll call this one create subscription, and also the link to our document. Yes, and then we finish. This step. We will go to our EventBridge. So the EventBridge is under the AWS CloudWatch, because before EventBridge is under the CloudWatch, but now the AWS, like they put it in the separate place. So let's go to our Visual Studio, and we can start to write the code. Let's see my drift. Copy from my drift. So here is AWS CloudWatch EventBridge, and create a rule. So the rule we'll call the EC2 start rule, and the rule description is rule for changes to starting. And in here we need to pay attention on the JSON format. If it doesn't use in the JSON format, it cannot be work. So we can come to our documentation. So under the event pattern, we need to use in the JSON code. And yeah, so we go back to our Visual Studio, review the code. So the name, and yes, so it will, the source, the pattern source will be AWS EC2. We can come to our, like we can review our previous video. So here, yeah, the service. So we need to exactly the similar with this one. The source is EC2 detail. Type is EC2 instant state change notification detail and stopping. Yeah, so we come to here again to see it's exactly the same things. So after we create the rule, we need to create the target. We need to, like after this rule happen, it need to link to our, it need to trigger SNS. And to do that, we need to create the target. The target I will call the SNS target. It can be like CloudWatch, any type of target. So the target ID will call the SNS target. The rule will be this rule. So it will call the AWS CloudWatch event rule, and the name is here, and the name, yes. and the ARN of our SNS topic. We need to roll up to see, yes, it's under here. So SNS topic, and the resource function name is EC2 start notice. Oh, here is this SMS topic. Stop notice. Stop notice, yes, and ARM. And we also need to put the input transformer configuration. So to do it, it's pretty similar with previous video. Yes, under here we added something. So instance, and also the time. Yeah, so here is send with our code in here, and also the template. We can come to here. The template is instance, and also instance is in the status at the time. Yeah, so under here we put the very similar things. Yeah, and for here we also have the documentation need to review. So is in here. The target, event target, so because the event rule will trigger this one. And yeah, we can come back to our Visual Studio and try to Terraform print. No change. So apply. Oh, I forgot to save. So Terraform print. The follow dependency. Okay. Terraform init. And during the same time, we go to our AWS. Oh, yeah, now it's running, and we can go to our SNS. Now it's empty. Let me refresh. And we need to see our event bridge to verify it. There is nothing configured. So event bridge, and under the rule we are creating a rule. So here is empty. Yeah, so we can come back to our Terraform still. Yeah, so we're just waiting, and event bridge, we can check CloudWatch. Okay, now it's finished. So we can type Terraform, print, hit enter. Hope nothing wrong. Event, and under the car wash event rule and the event bus, when we click this one, it will redirect to the event bridge. Yeah, so that's why under the Terraform code it's still under the car wash. Yeah, so let me refresh, nothing will be created. Okay, we can Terraform apply, hit enter. Mail. Okay, I hit yes, and when I hit yes, the SNS will create a topic, and because the subscription is my email address, I will get the confirmed email during the same time. So I hit yes, and we will come to here and refresh topic. So it will create for us, and let me drag the email. I just confirm. Yes, so after I confirm, it will confirm. Yeah. So now it create. We refresh the rule. So it created. So now we need to test does that work. So we need to turn off. We need to stop our EC2. So I will click stop. Refresh. Also refresh my email. Okay, I stopped the video because I don't get the email, so I just troubleshooting, and I find out is our a subscription maybe didn't subscribe very well, so I cancel it. So I cancel and resubscribe. Yeah, so I cancel it and resubscribe again, and try to do it. Then I can get the notification. So sometimes if you are pretty sure you don't make a thing wrong, you can try to stop, come to your confirmation email and unsubscribe, and then resubscribe again. It should be work. So thank you for watching.